this is your sign to downsize your junk journal. Yes, liitan nyo yung junk journal nyo. If you're someone who's doing junk journaling and you're using an A5 notebook and it works for you, then this video is not for you. You can scroll up na. But if you're someone like me who really loves junk journaling but is kind of overwhelmed at times, so best advice is really to downsize your junk journal. So I have this junk journal and I've been filling this up religiously like every week. I do full spreads like these ones. Green. Yeah, ito, may team ng Wuthering Heights and everything. And then may McDonald's Run, McCafe, and then, yeah, this one, the Uniqlo spread. While I do love this, at times I feel overwhelmed, like, I feel like I'm hoarding just to create full A5 spreads like this. Like, I tend to, like, buy more things para lang may ma-fill in ako. Kasi, kapag ginagawa yung mga junk journal na to, I know, you know, na parang may sort of layering, and then you have to fill out empty spaces. Kasi kapag may empty space, it doesn't really look good. So yeah, parang nung last week, I kind of really feel overwhelmed with the A5 notebook. That's why I kind of tried using my A6 journal as a junk journal. So nandito siya sa loob ng trifold ko. And it was kind of really life-changing for me. Well, okay nung life-changing. Pero, yeah. So, right off the first bat, when I first tried this, like a 7-Eleven, quick run ng 7-Eleven. Like one run, instead of i-hoard ko yung mga 7-Eleven things ko para makapag-create ng isang A5 spread, nakagawa na agad ako ng A5, ng isang A6 spread. Like this one. And then natapon ko na yung ibang basura na kasama nung 7-Eleven run na yun. Same goes with this, yung Watsons. Yeah. Quick one Watson run, nakagawa na. Abenson run, and then yeah, Walter Mart, since mas marami yung grocery, parang 2 pages. And then, same goes with another Watson run. So, yeah, so I think it's more, it's more on how I want to approach journaling. Like, I feel like with these kinds of spreads, like, I get to be more intentional with how I kind of see my junk. Kasi yeah, parang I think yun yung medyo commitment ko sa pag-journal. I have to be really intentional on what I do with the journaling. Kaya, yung mga A5 spreads na parang you have to hoard, like, to create things, medyo it doesn't really feel intentional for me. Parang it kind of feels like performative. Magkaiba ba yung performative sa intentional?